for the United Nations Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs. And I had the pleasure to be invited to attend this event and exercise organized by the Euro-Atlantic Resilience Center here in Bucharest. It was important for us to be here among the different organizations and participants during these few days to better understand what are the different mechanisms that could be implemented in case of a potential crisis in this region. Also strengthen our network within different partners, member states, organizations that could respond to a potential crisis, and compare also experiences from our own previous interventions, our current operations with the participants, but also hear from others what would be their expectations in case UN OCHA, my organization, but the overall UN humanitarian system and our humanitarian partners would be able to help in case of a large-scale crisis that would require additional international assistance.